Our world is increasingly powered by data, and the connections we make are more precious than ever. But the digital infrastructure behind those connections can't keep up. We need a new way forward. We need data to flow much faster while consuming a lot less energy. And we can, by replacing electronics with photonics, so that data can be processed and transmitted at the speed of light. With the All-Photonics Network, latency will be reduced to near zero, and power-hungry hot circuits will be replaced with efficient, cool photonic ones. So everything from data centers to consumer devices and the network that connects them will run at blazing fast speeds and with exponentially lower emissions. This is the vision shared by more than 180 of the world's largest companies and organizations who join the IOWN Global Forum to work together collaboratively to create the open architecture for the photonics technology that is already changing our world. Together, we are creating the All-Photonics Network that will power a better future for everyone.